Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a very quick, easy and healthy breakfast sandwich perfect for office goers, bachelors, students and for children. You can even carry this as a meal for office lunch or as a tiffin for school. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the recipe. To make special sandwich, I have already washed and rinsed 1 cup of coriander leaves and I'm adding it into my small chutney grinder. Into that I'm adding in 1 green chilli which I'm breaking into 2, 3 to 4 shallots. I prefer to use shallots in my recipes because they are rich in iron and folate. A small piece of ginger which I am slicing and adding, 2 to 3 garlic cloves, a sprinkle of chaat masala, juice of half a lemon, 1/4 teaspoon roasted jeera powder, add in 2 tablespoons water and pink Himalayan salt as needed. And I'm going to grind this to a fine paste. And the green chutney is ready. Transfer the green chutney to another bowl. The green chutney is nicely ground and I'm going to keep it aside. So I've already boiled 2 potatoes and I'm peeling the skin. This is a very quick and easy potato sandwich if you already have some boiled potatoes at hand. Very easy for bachelors, college students. I'm going to grate this boiled potatoes. Now to boil the potatoes, what I did was I pressure cooked the potatoes for about 3 to 5 whistles and then allowed the pressure to depressurize by itself. That is, I only opened the cooker once it has cooled down and then I transfer the cooked potatoes to another plate. Next I'm adding in the grated potatoes into the green chutney which we have already made and kept aside. Give it a stir. At this stage you can check salt, and if you feel you need more salt you can add, and if you feel you need more sourness you can add in a little bit of extra lemon juice as well. And one more thing, you can also make this mix ahead and store it in the fridge in an airtight glass container, and you can use it in the mornings or whenever you feel like having a filling sandwich. Kids will definitely love this. If you want to add more greens into this, you can add in blanched palak as well. So now let's assemble the sandwich. Now usually butter is used to make sandwich, but I'm not using butter in this recipe. I'm using brown bread. I'm placing some potato filling over the bread and I'm just spreading it out. Little bit on the sides as well. Spreading it on the next slice as well. It's about 1 tablespoon or as per your taste. You can see that the potato filling spreads very smoothly over the bread slice. Okay, now we have 3 slices of bread. So I'm just going to sprinkle in some chopped onions. And I'm covering it with another slice. Little bit of green chutney on top. Just a small coat. A sprinkle of chopped onions. And I'm covering it with the other slice. Just press it down. So altogether I used half of a chopped onion and lightly press it down. Now to toast the bread, I have heated my cast iron tawa and I am adding in 1 teaspoon desi ghee. Try to use good quality desi ghee. We'll be doing the whole process on low flame. Sprinkle about half teaspoon sesame seeds onto the desi ghee and place the bread over the sesame seeds and lightly press it down. While that side is getting toasted, drizzling in 1 teaspoon desi ghee and spreading it over the bread. Sprinkle in about half to 1 teaspoon sesame seeds over it. And now I'm going to carefully turn the bread over. And once done, transfer to a plate. Repeat the same thing with the next sandwich too. 1 teaspoon desi ghee, some sesame seeds, and place the sandwich over it. Toast on low flame. And while that side is getting toasted, drizzle in 1 teaspoon of desi ghee and spread it over the bread slice. Sprinkle in some sesame seeds on top. Carefully flip it over. Once done, remove it to a plate. Let me just slice the sandwich and show you. Super crispy. So guys, do try this recipe and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.